Hello again, my name is Ahmed Semi. This is the third video of testing Tails OS on Mac OS machine.
Window panel.
Right now I want to test the terminal and Tor browser, every setting on this. And there is an accessibility option also, I want to test it.
A. Overview panel. C. S. Mac ES. Tab. Settings push bar. Accessibility push bar. Return.
Here is the accessibility.
Settings frame. Tab. Panel. Tab. Always show accessibility menu toggle button pressed.
Okay. I read also on the website there is an accessibility menu and I can access it with a shortcut. I can't do it. I don't know why, but I can do it here on macOS and on Windows also. I don't know why, but I can't access it.
Control which notifications are displayed. Tab. Panel.
Okay, this menu it's accessible.
Tab. Panel.
Like Windows.
Tab. List with 2 items. Lock screen. No, do not disturb. Toggle. Lock screen. Applications list with 8 items. Archive
Application,
manager on.
Archive manager.
Camera on. Color on. Date and time on.
Right now I can use setting. I don't know why it doesn't work before.
Files on. Network on. Power on.
But let's try to back to the accessibility again.
Window. ASES. Tab. Capital Escape. Win A. Over C. CES. Tab. Accessibility push button. Return.
Okay, here is the accessibility.
Settings frame. Tab. Panel. Tab. Always show accessibility menu toggle button pressed.
Like I said before, I tried this accessibility shortcut, but doesn't work. Doesn't give me anything.
Seeing list with 6 items. High contrast toggle button not pressed.
This is the high contrast.
Space.
Let's try it. Must be
Return.
enabled.
Return. Large text toggle button not pressed. Space.
This is a large text.
Space. Cursor size default.
This is to change the mouse size.
Zoom off.
This is to zoom out.
Screen reader on.
And to zoom in. This is screen reader. It's already on.
Sound keys off.
Sound keys while typing.
Hearing list with 1 item. Visual alerts off.
Visual alerts. If I'm one who can't hear well, I can use this to put some text on the screen or give me some alerts if we have any sound.
Typing list with 4 items. Screen keyboard toggle button not pressed.
Screen keyboard. This is on a screen keyboard. I can display a keyboard and type with my mouse.
Repeat keys on.
Repeat keys.
Cursor blinking on.
This is to blink a cursor in any text or something.
Typing assist access X off.
This is typing
Return.
assist.
Typing assist dialog. Turn accessibility features on and off using the keyboard. Treats a sequence of modifier keys as a key tab. Sticky keys toggle button not pressed.
This is to enable the sticky keys.
Tab. Slow keys toggle button not tab. Bounce keys toggle button not tab. Enable by keyboard toggle button not pressed.
This is by keyboard.
Left top settings.
Let's close this. Let's right now try to open the setting of my screen reader before trying a terminal.
Window. Chinese intelligent Python push button.
This is a problem here. Like I said in the first part of this video, the same problem happened on Windows and on Mac. I only need to select English. I don't know how I select this, a lot of languages.
Window. 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 English, US, in space. Gap space. Korean, Hangul space. Vietnamese, Unix space. Chinese, Chewing space. Chinese, Inte space. English, US, in.
I just want English US. I don't know why he added all of that on top of my head on this operating system. Because the first menu, when I try to open this operating system, the select menu doesn't appear, doesn't work. I don't know how to use it. This is the main problem here. But okay, let's try the terminal. Like I said before, when I try to click on any combination letters to open my screen reader setting, doesn't work. I have to open it from terminal.
T-E-I-E, escape. Win-T-E-R. Over root terminal push button.
Let's
Return.
try, of course, the root terminal.
Dialog to start a root terminal. Black circle, 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 black circle. Cancel push tab. Authenticate return.
Authenticate.
Terminal frame. Root at sign amnesia colon tilde hash. Root
Okay,
at sign and left control.
I'm in root right now. Let's try some of the normal commands.
P.D. return. /root at sign amnesia colon tilde hash.
Okay.
ls return. Root at sign amnesia colon tilde hash.
Of course, it's nothing here.
LSPA return. Dot hash rc dot cache dot config dot dbus dot gnu dot local dot profile dot synaptic root at sign amnesia colon tilde hash. Left.
Let's try to edit .bash rc.
NANO space. Dot. BAH. Dot. RC. Return. GNU nano 5.4.bash.rc.
Oh, I already make a typo, but nano opens. Let's try.
GNET space. R as ND. Left backspace. TET space. R backspace.
Let's pretend this is a bash file.
Left hat. Exclaim. Slash.
/bin
slash backspace. Exclaim slash.
This is a Japan.
BIN slash BAH return TEC HO space left shift diuresis T backspace diuresis AE LO space ORD left save modified buffer
No.
backspace
Okay.
PW return slash root at sign amnesia colon tilde hash.
Let's try to maybe install anything.
APT space UPDATE return error colon 1 tor plus HTTP about 7 MJ Frira 65 CHT did 5 BTWS 7 N mark tamfmez kjaz dot onion slash tor project dot org bullseye in release code dot connect to 127.0.0.1 colon 9050 127.0 root at sign amnesia colon tilde hash. APT space ISTAS space TREE.
Let's try to install 3. I think it's already installed, but let's
return.
try.
Reading package lists done building dependency tree 0%. Building dependency tree done reading state information done. Unable to locate package tree root at sign amnesia colon tilde hash.
It's kind of
Left root at sign
here,
amnesia colon tilde hash.
but it's working normally. I have to just update and upgrade all of my repositories and everything to a Debian base, and everything will work. But normally right now it's working. Okay, first of all, before continuing, this white color, it's burning eyes. For the blind people, it didn't must to look to something bright like that. Okay, first time I open it on Windows with this bright color, it makes my eyes cry. Okay, I'm a blind, but it makes my eyes cry. So try to lower it. I searched through the setting to black or anything like that, to black high contrast. I can't find anything, and there is no shortcut to enable it. Okay, I know it's a blind person, but blind person also, this white color, it's really hurting for us. Okay, this is how the terminal works.
Left alt.
Close the terminal. Let's try right now to open Tor browser.
Window T O over tab videos Tor browser push button return.
Tor.
Tor is not ready dialog. Tor is not ready. Start Tor browser anyway. Tab. Start Tor browser tab. Tor is not ready. Start Tor browser anyway. Label O capital T. Open tab. Start Tor. Open Tor connection push
Open
return.
Tor connection.
Tor connection frame. Connect to Tor automatically. Easier. Not selected radio bus space.
Let me select that at least for testing.
Tab. Push button. Tab. Configure a Tor bridge tab. Push button.
Let's
configure a Tor return.
First.
Checked. Tab. Push button. Tab. Push button. Tab. Tor link. Lure tab. Connect to Tor push button.
Connect
return.
to Tor.
Use a default bridge. Not selected radio
okay,
space.
I will use
selected.
the default one.
Tab. Back push button. Tab. Connect to Tor return. 1%.
Of course, using I'm using my tab key and my shift tab to move forward and backward. I'm using my return key or enter to select.
50%.
Okay, it's 50%.
%.
Let's try to test a couple of websites to see how the browsing work. Okay, it's opened right now. Let's try to Control T, or I have to press F6
to
go to the address bar.
Tab. Start Tor browser push button.
First of all, let me start Tor
Return.
browser. I will press enter to start Tor. It's starting right now.
Tails.f6. Document web.
It must
Backspace.
be ready right now. Let's
www.yo. The menu. UBE. Reso. M. List with 7 items. Bullet. Home link. How Tails works link. Get Tails link.
okay.
Finish
This
loading
is
Tails.
already
Welcome to Tails! Exclamation dot.
okay. It's finished loading. I will use my H key to move by heading, my K to move by links, L to move by list items. And if I combined any one of this with the shift key, I will move backward. And of course, if I used only the tab key and the shift, I will move forward and backward through every element in the page. This is how screen reader work in browser.
Support heading level 3. FAQ link. Known issues link. Warnings link. Accessibility link.
Okay,
Return.
let's try to
Loading.
open accessibility
Please
here.
wait. Tails accessibility document web. Finished loading Tails H. Universal access menu heading level 1. You can activate most of these technologies from the universal access menu. The universe looks like a person in the top bar. Universal access menu with the following options. Disabled look. You can activate most of these technologies from the universal access menu. The universal access image icon which.
This is what I'm talking about. I can't access this universal access menu with my screen reader.
Look, universal access menu with these technologies are documented in more details in the no new documentation link. Keyboard shortcuts heading level 1. Table with 2 rows 2 columns. Turn screen reader on or off. Alt plus super plus S. Turn zoom on or off. Alt plus super plus 8.
Alt plus super plus 8.
Leaving table. To access the universal access menu using the keyboard. List with 6 items. 1. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Tab to move the keyboard focus to the top bar. 2. Use the arrow keys on the keyboard to select the universal access menu. 3. Press Enter to open the menu. 4. Use the up and down arrow keys to select items in the menu. 5. Press space to toggle the selected item. 6. Press ESC to close the menu.
Okay, I'm already right now using my arrow keys to read through this text.
Leaving list. T. Search or enter address and backspace.
Let's try to open YouTube.
www.youtube.com. Return. Search with DuckDuckGo or enter address editable combo box www.youtube.com. Loading. Please wait. Document web.
I'm waiting, yeah. Let's see.
Tab. Tab. Tab.
It's more slower here. Let's give him some time.
Tab. F6. Tab.
By the way, to access the top menu, I have to press F6 to access this the address bar on top to write
tab.
Anything.
Left tab. Tails accessibility tab. YouTube page tab.
Okay, this is to YouTube page. Taking
F5.
Let's try to refresh it because it takes so long time to open.
Left W. Tails access T.
I will
Search
open it
with
again.
DuckDuckGo. Left control www.youtube.com. Return. Search with DuckDuckGo or enter address editable combo box www.youtube.com. Loading. Please wait. Document web. Secure connection not available. Document web. Main content. Go back push button. Tab. Secure connection not available. Page tab. Tab. Reload push button. Tab. View site information tab. Search with DuckDuckGo or enter address editable combo box https://www.youtube.com. Select main content. Go back push button. Tab. Left. Return.
I know why it doesn't need to work
tab.
how like expected.
Left.
And on Windows, I
HTTPS
already
only left
opened
control.
it. Right.
X tab. List with one item. Nesting level 1. Firefox checkbox checked. Tab. Combo box. Version 91 tab.
Okay.
Combo box tab. Firefox link tab. What is the difference? The tab. Enable HTTPS only mode link. Tab. Enable / disable HT tab. Secure connection not available link tab. Turn off HTTP tab. Add exceptions tab. HTTP link add return. Add exceptions for HTTP websites when you're in HTTPS only mode W. Secure connection not available page W.
I don't know
Tails accessibility left control.
YouTube doesn't
Left
give me a
tab.
secure connection right
Left
now,
T.
but this
Search
is
with duck
how it
backspace.
works.
www.github.com return.
Let's try
Search
to
with
open GitHub.
DuckDuckGo or enter address editable combo box www.github.com. Loading. Please wait. Document web.
Okay, GitHub, it's opening normally. Let's try to move through it.
H.
By the way, I had the same issue while opening GitHub on Windows. I don't know this website have a problem with Tor browser or not, but my screen reader also stuck on Windows when I open GitHub. I don't know why. Don't know why, especially GitHub.
New tab page tab. Lay back w. Return.
Okay.
Tab.
By the way, overall, it's working good. It's the same on Windows, but it's much better on Windows.
Windows.
Especially
GitHub,
for me.
Where the world builds software middle.github m-Tor browser push button.
I don't know this happened with me because the hardware difference or whatever.
Finished loading. Finished loading GitHub. Where the world builds software middle.github.
I don't know if this is a change. I already on Windows while testing on Windows, I'm using AMD processor, and here on Mac I'm using Intel. This Mac device using Intel processor. I didn't know this makes any different on their website, but this is how the situation here with me. Okay, overall Mac is better than Windows, not better that much. It's the same problems. If we can say it's a problem, it's very small ones. But Mac is better. Overall, the operating system working good. It's easier for me to navigate with my screen reader. It's a bit trickier in the first time, but overall it's working fine. I tried to do it in a virtual machine, but doesn't work at all. Doesn't give me anything on my virtual machine. Okay, it's working, but without any sound. And of course, it's very hard for a blind person to configure it on a virtual machine without any sound. I try to search the documentation on Tails website. I try to search VMware help. I tried VMware Workstation Pro 16, version 16, but doesn't work also. This is everything about Tails OS.